To become rich and successful, by applying these habits you will achieve your goals faster. Get ready to rich and successful, and achieve the future you've always dreamed of. Let's dive in. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. Let's achieve. Number 1. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious and success-driven individuals who inspire and challenge you. Join networking events, online communities, and mastermind groups. Connect with people who are on the same journey, and watch your wealth grow. Like-minded individuals often provide a supportive environment. They understand the challenges and obstacles you may face on your wealth-building journey because they are on a similar path. They can offer advice, share experiences, and provide emotional support when needed. Being around people who share similar goals and ambitions can be highly motivating and inspiring. Seeing others succeed or witnessing their dedication can fuel your own motivation to strive for financial success. Number 2. Investing wisely. Imagine this: you have a jar filled with coins. Each coin represents your hard-earned money, your hopes, and your dreams. Now, instead of letting those coins sit idly in the jar, imagine putting them to work for you, multiplying and growing over time. That's the power of investing wisely. Investing wisely empowers you to stay ahead of inflation. Over time, the purchasing power of money diminishes due to rising prices. By investing, you have the chance to grow your wealth at a rate that outpaces inflation. This means your money retains its value and continues to work for you, protecting you against the eroding effects of time. To grow your wealth, investing wisely is a must. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities such as stocks, real estate, or index funds. Diversify your investments, seek expert advice, and stay informed about market trends. Let your money work for you. Number 3. Embracing failure and taking calculated risks. Think about some of the most accomplished individuals throughout history. They didn't achieve greatness by playing it safe or avoiding failure at all costs. No, they embraced failure as an opportunity for growth, as a chance to learn invaluable lessons that propelled them forward. But here's the key: embracing failure doesn't mean blindly jumping into risky situations without a safety net. It's about taking calculated risks. Calculated risks involve careful analysis, strategic planning, and understanding the potential outcomes before making a move. Taking calculated risks is like a chess game. You assess the board, analyze your options, and anticipate the moves of your opponents. It's about weighing the potential rewards against the potential pitfalls and making informed decisions based on your knowledge and intuition. Number 4. Mindset and goal setting. Let's start with mindset. Your mindset is like a lens through which you perceive the world and interpret your experiences. It shapes your beliefs, attitudes, and responses to the challenges and opportunities that come your way. In essence, it's the foundation upon which you build your life. A growth mindset is particularly powerful. It's the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents can be developed through dedication, effort, and continuous learning. With a growth mindset, you embrace challenges, persist in the face of obstacles, and view failures as opportunities for growth. It's about seeing setbacks as stepping stones towards success, rather than roadblocks that halt your progress. Now, let's talk about goal setting. Setting goals is like charting a course for your journey. It's about defining what you want to achieve, both in the short term and the long term. Without clear goals, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, without a sense of purpose or direction. When you set goals, you create a roadmap for success. You identify the specific outcomes you desire and establish a timeline to work towards them. Goals provide clarity, focus, and a sense of purpose, guiding your actions and decisions along the way. Wealth starts in the mind. Developing a success-oriented mindset and setting clear goals is crucial. Start by visualizing your financial dreams, write them down, and create a roadmap to achieve them. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Number 5. Listen more than you talk. Poor people talk for free and rich get paid for talk. Listening more than you talk doesn't mean being passive or silent. It means actively engaging in conversations, being present, and genuinely focusing on understanding others. By practicing active listening, you can acquire valuable knowledge, build meaningful connections, and make informed decisions, all of which contribute to your overall success and potential for wealth creation. In a world filled with noise and distractions, the art of listening has become a rare and precious skill. Yet, it holds incredible power when it comes to building meaningful connections, gaining knowledge, and fostering personal growth. Listening more than you talk is a habit that can transform your interactions and enrich your life in numerous ways. When you listen more than you talk, you open yourself up to a world of valuable insights and perspectives. Instead of being focused solely on your own thoughts and opinions, you create space to truly hear and understand others. Number 6. Keep track of your goals. First and foremost, tracking your goals provides clarity and direction. When you have clearly defined goals, you know exactly what you're working towards and why it matters to you. By keeping track of them, you maintain a clear vision of your desired outcomes, ensuring that you stay aligned with your aspirations and avoid getting sidetracked. The act of tracking your goals is not just about achieving an end result, it's also about enjoying the journey and celebrating your milestones along the way. It's about recognizing your growth, acknowledging the efforts you've invested, and appreciating the progress you've made. Every successful people have goals, not wishes. Goals are different because something to add your timeline. Keeping track of your goals is a powerful tool for success. It provides clarity, accountability, and motivation, while also allowing you to adjust and adapt as needed. By consistently monitoring your progress and making necessary course corrections, you increase your chances of achieving your goals and realizing your desired level of success and wealth. Number 7. Don't wait to take action. Waiting often stems from a fear of the unknown or fear of failure. We may convince ourselves that we need more time, more resources, or more information before we can take that first step. However, the truth is that waiting can lead to missed opportunities and stagnation. By waiting, we keep ourselves stuck in a cycle of inaction, where dreams remain unrealized and goals remain distant. When you take immediate action, you create momentum. You break free from the shackles of hesitation and propel yourself forward. Taking that first step, no matter how small, sets a chain reaction in motion. It creates a sense of urgency, ignites your motivation, and increases your chances of success. Opportunities often have a limited window of availability. By taking immediate action, you increase your chances of seizing those opportunities before they pass you by. Taking action accelerates results. The sooner you start, the sooner you can make progress towards your goals. Number 8. Clear understanding of financial tree. First of all, average people have no idea what is financial tree. Financial tree includes income, expenses, budgeting, saving and investment, debt management, insurance protection, financial goals planning. Rich people know how they are making money and where they are spending their money. Most people don't know where they are spending their money. You must have a clear idea where your money is flowing. By understanding and tending to each component of your financial tree, you create a solid foundation for financial success. Regularly review and reassess your finances, make adjustments as needed, and seek guidance from financial professionals if necessary. With a clear understanding of your financial tree, you can nurture it over time, allowing it to grow and thrive, and ultimately reap the rewards of financial stability and abundance. Number 9. 20% of your income should get automatically invested. One of the habits that can contribute significantly to your long-term financial well-being, automatically investing 20% of your income. This practice ensures that you consistently set aside a portion of your earnings for investment purposes, helping you build wealth and secure your financial future. 20% of your income should get invested in index fund or mutual fund in order to build wealth. It should be automated. This needs a lot of discipline, but once you gain it, you will see change in your net worth. This is the amount usually you waste in a month. The quicker you apply these habits in your life, quicker you see the change. The key to successful investing is a long-term perspective, consistency, and patience. By automatically investing 20% of your income, you prioritize your financial future, take advantage of compounding growth, and set yourself on a path towards long-term wealth accumulation. Number 10. Keep evolving and keep learning. The world is constantly evolving, and the ability to adapt is vital for success. By embracing a mindset of continuous evolution, you remain open to new ideas, technologies, and opportunities. This flexibility allows you to adjust your strategies, embrace innovation, and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-changing landscape. The pursuit of growth and knowledge is a lifelong journey that leads to personal and professional development. Embracing the mindset of continuous learning and evolution is a habit that can enhance your skills, expand your horizons, and unlock new opportunities. By doing so, you unlock your potential, adapt to the changing world, and find fulfillment in the pursuit of knowledge and personal development. Thank you for spending time with us. Subscribe the channel for more enriching videos. What are the habits do you already have, and what are you going to adopt in your life? Let us know in the comment box. Start today, make these habits a priority, and embark on a journey towards a richer and more fulfilling future.